Hey! No, we're not going past bread. We're not scooting past erasing with bread.
Liz, does this help you with math? Did you do this in your homeschool? Did they do this? They teach you this?
No, but you know what I did do in homeschool for like most of my education? Just fucking write the answers out of the back of the book in my textbook. Because I had no form of anyone making sure I was doing my work.
Word.
Oh my god. I mean, bread helps me with most things, but not math.
Yeah, I guess I could use the energy from the bread to help me think. I guess.
Yeah.
Get them simple sugars.
It's like showing you how to do like reverse long division. It's like doing long multiplication. It's saying like multiply 5 times 5 to get 25, and then do 5 times 5 times 10, but don't show the 10, I guess.
Oh, wait, go back. I see what they're doing. So they're doing, 5 times 5 equals 25, and then they're doing an arc, 2 plus 5 equals 7.
Holy shit, that's so much worse, Alex.
How often are you running into multiples of 11 in your day-to-day life? That's it.
Weird...
I'm putting the number 11 on blast. You fucked up for the last time. Run the balls. I'm over it.
The only... 11 related math thing that I can ever remember is that 11 times 11 is 121, because it's so fucking frustrating that it's not 111.
Right, because it should be Bilbo's birthday.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. What the fuck is this?
Yeah, if I have to like look at the pain pentagram here, if I have to look at like the rhombus of discontent to do my math, I'm just done. I'm gone.
Configuration? Is this what Pinhead shows you?
I came.
Oh my god. Open to kill an ADHD person immediately. Looking at this truly does psychic. This does psychic damage to me, unironically.
See, I'm like the kind of like temple explorer man who wants to solve. I'm an escape room gremlin, is what I'm getting at. So my brain lights up in the like, all right, how does this let me get out of the pirate's ship?
My brain just keeps going. How is this gonna make a cootie catcher? I don't understand.
Yeah. Wow, you absolutely fucked this Sudoku up. There's 2 triangles.
Calculating the sum of triangles? What do you mean the sum of triangles? What the fuck are you talking about?
If there's 2 triangles, there are 2 triangles. That's the sum of triangles.
What?
No, there's 3 triangles. You fucked up, stupid.
What? What does this mean?
Inside you, there are 2 triangles.
6. So what it's saying, this is the worst way to describe it possible. They're talking about the total number of triangles that could be found
okay, I see.
So like,
God.
so for like the second one, it would be triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3 separately, and then 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, and then 1 plus 2 plus 3.
What math problem is this? This isn't a math problem.
None. This is the kind of shit that like mathematicians get up to when they're bored and they're like, I need to go like look at paper for like 6 hours, and they do this. Like, yeah, this is just where like some computational scientist is like, I invented a new kind of computer. I call it a busy beaver, and it makes the biggest numbers anyone's ever seen. And then the rest of the math community goes, great stuff, man. Love that shit. That's real, by the way.
Graph trick. Cool graph trick! Yeah!
It's literally, here's some shapes. Okay, I'm glad you like it. You know what? This feels like a really homeschooled math trick.
Graph tricks. Oh, Ty, you are fooling yourself if you think I know how to draw a fucking graph.
Fair enough.
You think I taught myself fucking, what is that, Algebra 3? Absolutely not.
The fact that you've identified that as Algebra 3 tells me more than I need to know.
Hey man, I stopped at Algebra 1. I don't know what the fuck that is.
That's so wild. You're telling me y'all don't study math for fun sometimes? That's not just me? Okay.
Yo, cool shape. Cool shape.
Now it's like a weird moth. Look at that. Check that out. It's like a weird moth. What?
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 Hey, what?
What are we doing here?
Is this what they taught you in public school? That's fucked up.
No,
it's not.
Look, I'm not here to like tell you some mythological thing of like public school taught me better good than
it's
homeschooling.
3/10.
No. But this is nothing. This is so nothing.
But
okay,
you didn't draw a cool moth. But the multiplication hack is just Do the multiplication. What are they saying?
500?
What are they saying here?
Okay, Liz, they're saying 4 divided by 2 is 4. And then, so because
So
of
they're
that,
adding division into a simple multiplication problem to solve the multiplication problem?
Liz, I was lying. I have no fucking idea what
Oh,
they're
wait,
doing.
I know. I figured it out. To get the first digit, they're dividing the 4 and the 6 by half to get the 2 and the 3.
I'm gonna kill myself.
And then they're moving the last digit over to the end of it to complete the problem. This is the most backwards ass
Yeah,
way of
they
figuring this out.
added division to the multiplication problem.
Yeah, 100%.
So does this only work for multiples of 6? Again, this is, God, instead of learning one unifying theory of how to do multiplication, you've now told everybody they need to remember 400 bespoke multiplication tables. And then as soon as a number above 400 exists, they should just fucking go home, I guess.
Yes, and this only works for anything divided by 2, I guess?
I'm just gonna say it. Hot take. Multiplication, cool. Division, bullshit.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I agree completely. And I bet most of like the higher mathematics community would agree, because whenever something like works for multiplication and not for division, which I know shouldn't exist, it does. It's like the worst. Yeah, can I get any mathematicians in chat telling me all my homies hate division?
We already
Oh.
did multiplication by 11.
They love it, Alex. They love multiplying by 11.
Okay, now instead of writing it 1,000 times, you have consigned yourself to a life of writing it 333
Hold
times.
on, I
with
gotta
a
get out my
worsened
division table so I can figure out how many times it is now that I have this many
Oh.
markers.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Shouldn't have done that in my head. Very rude of me. Let me draw a funny butterfly.
Explain this with the funny Hitler Pikachu or no dice. Is this hack just learn math from your math teacher? Oh my fucking god.
Why are we making runes? What is this? What?
This makes me wanna die.
Circle.
What-
Yeah, me
This
too.
isn't real. You guys are fucking with me. They don't teach you this in
this-
school.
No,
Is
they
this
don't.
Is this a psyop to make me hate Zoomers? Because it's working.
Yeah.
If that's what this is,
I can only
I
teach
think it's
as it
working.
regards to Cat's Cradle.
He's drawing a funny moth. My brother in Christ. What the
a
fuck
weird
are you
hump dog.
talking about?
Thank God we chose a bunch of numbers that have no carryover, or else this would be way more awkward to explain.
Oh, it's one of those long hamburgers from Burger King.
Trying to figure out 21 times 32 and accidentally resurrecting my mom. Yeah.
Losing an arm.
Yeah. Ah, shit, my leg.
Holy shit, this video is so long.
Yeah. Oh, I'm about at my limit here. I'm just still falling deeper into
Hey, it's my trick.
like yeah, look at that. Except now with a 9 in the middle.
Fuck.
It just kills me that they're like, look at this order that happens on this table.
Yeah,
Look at that. Check that out. Is this a hack? Is that anything?
look at this photograph.
They're like, can your brain recognize patterns? Here you go, dipshit. Hell yeah, brother.
This thumbs up has huge hell yeah, brother energy.
Hey, man. You're not very good at teaching math. Hey, can you go back to the squared 6 thing again? All right. So, why are we adding 106 plus 6? Where did we come up with that, or is that just an arbitrary thing we decided to do?
Look at this. Hey, take a look at this. what do you look at this?
Like, how did we determine to do the thing
How do
underneath?
we know to do that?
And now I still have to
Huh.
know how to find the square of 6.
I think this only works if it's between 101 and 109, I think is the idea here. We again have created incredibly precise math. Because, yeah, 103, then the way it would work would be 103 plus 3. So 109 on the front, and then 3 squared, so 09 on the back. I'm not going to check if that's right, but that sounds right. Again, because of the way numbers are structured in a base 10 system, it's not a hack. That's just math does that. Wait,
Yeah.
what is...
What is the hack?
Liz,
Great.
help?
Wait, hold on. What are we doing? What is this?
So I think what he's done here is we've arbitrarily assigned each digit on our hands a number between 10 and 6 for some reason. And if you hold your hands up in front of your face, the number that you have assigned to your pointer finger, which is 7, and the number you've assigned to your index finger, is that what that is?
Ring
on the
finger on your right hand.
your reverse, your Waluigi ring finger on your right hand. And then I don't know how we get the rest of the owl.
Yeah, 6 times 9, or I'm sorry, 7 times lowercase g standing up on its back leg to intimidate other letters equals 7666789.
A
I got
display
it.
of dominance to the other numbers.
That's right. The lowercase g is trying to trick everyone into thinking it's a 9, so it needs to puff its chest out.
Is this why 7 was afraid of 9 or whatever?
That's right, because 7, 8, lowercase g that stood up and was pretending to be a 9 to assert dominance.
It was a whole like Among Us situation.
We're still doing multiplication. What the fuck are you talking about?
Liz, did you solve? Yes, explain. What's this?
What are you talking about, my brother in Christ?
Ta-da! Look at this.
So wild.
This is literally, is this anything?
Oh my god.
I'm so confused. 7 times 9. So yeah, that's the original problem, dipshit. So like, I kind of understand.
Wait.
I get it. So
Yeah.
wait, no, I don't. Okay, so there's 3 fingers that aren't in the circle on the left, and one
And
that
one
isn't on the
finger
right.
Yeah.
I would rather
Yeah.
die. I would rather snort broken glass through a
So,
straw than do math this way.
So what it is you take the gap inclusive 7 and 9 and count the count of numbers in that zone and the count of numbers on the outside and multiply those. But
Or you could do the funny trick that I taught you like 10 minutes ago.
oh, do you mean where I look at it and go, it's 63 and
Yeah.
then just move on with my
Yes.
life? Because it's 7 times 9. Or even if you don't want to do that, even if that's too much memorization, then you go 7 times 10, 70 minus 7, 63. We're in there. Like,
Do you
there's
think-
so many ways to get there.
Do you think this math teacher just like ate a full weed brownie one day and then like did this? He like came up with this idea in his head because he's looking at his hands and was like, this is so fucking cool. I have to put this in my curriculum.
No, I don't think that's right. I think he tried to put it in a proof. I think he
Fair.
tried to put it in a major proof and in a major paper and then get it published and see if he could get some grant money for it. I think it's a pretty good idea. I think he's right. I think he's onto something. I think this is something else. Yeah, according to this trick, let's think real quick, okay? So let's say we were doing 7 times 6. So you would have 766. So the first digit in 7 times 6, according to this, let me get a notepad out. So that would be 2, or no, it'd be 3, because 7, 6, and 6, that'd be 3. And then on the outside, you would have 3 on one side, and then 4 on the other side. So that's 12. So the answer to 7 times 6, 312. Got it. Easy.
Oh, the
Not the
butterfly's back.
butterfly again. God damn it.
Show me the butterfly. What part of PIMDAS is this?
This is the son of Pimdas. Plimdas. The butterfly of math, Plimdas.
That sounds like a Dark Souls boss.
He loves 9s because he likes to draw the fucked up 9s. You know that like doing a gay little run to piss you off? It's this guy but drawing 9s. He wants us to see his fucked up 9s.
The thing that really upsets me about this is the reason they use 9s all the time is because, like, it's obvious inherently that 10 is going to give us the most obvious pattern on the planet, right? Which is the thing above it with a 0 on the end. 9 is just one removed from that, so it's also incredibly predictable. And I guess we're supposed to be impressed. If you want to speed run this and not do the dumb shit they're doing, you just go 6 times 1,000. 6,000 minus 6, 5,994.
Yeah.
Great. We're done. Yeah, how'd she get the 8 times 9 part without busting out her fingerboard?
Oh, there's another
We
11.
love multiplying by 11.
It's the same trick as before.
Yes, but this time the mathematicians hate it. Whoa, bad 4 detected. Holy shit.
No,
Look at that 4.
hey, can we talk about the 1 on the bottom 106? The 4 is what bothers you? Look at the 1.
Oh, I thought that was a delta signifying change. My mistake.
That's maybe the worst 1 I've ever seen
Yeah.
in my life.
That one
Yeah,
needs a
that's really-
haircut desperately.
Yeah, that's like a 1 trying to like go incognito as a 7 is what that is.
Yeah, you know what,
Yeah,
chat? I
yeah,
agree.
human
Bring back
sacrifice.
bullying.
Bring back bullying, but only like if people do their math in dorky ways.
This dude fucking loves 11s, man. He just fucking loves them.
Okay. Can I get a little bit of backing on this 4 being dog shit?
There's a 4, and then
a 4.
in the third column, the very last one is also particularly upsetting.
That 4 is like a lightning bolt.
That's
that's
honestly kind of a sick ass way to draw 4.
And he did it again, so it's consistent, I guess.
He loves
Yeah, if he
drawing
ever
lightning
murders
bolts.
anybody, we'll be able to find him via his 4s.
Wait a minute. The address didn't have a lightning bolt in the middle.
It was a 4 all along.
It's a weird guy.
Oh my god, it's my math teacher.
But you still have to know how to do 4 times 21.
This is just like long multiplication.
Why?
This is just, yeah, then you carry the 8, and then you carry this. This is just multiplication. This isn't a hack. This is just doing the math.
That's a normal 4.
He's changing it
He's
up.
running out of chalk is what's happening.
His nails are scraping the board.
Yeah. What? Wait, what? Go back?
It
Where-
just do long multiplication.
Where
It was
is he
just-
getting all of the other arbitrary numbers from?
Yeah,
It's making
'cause
it
it's just
seem
the
like,
first-
oh, well, if you do this, then you get this number, which is the middle part of the real answer.
It's so hard because this is the one time he's just doing math normally, but he's still writing it in kind of a wild way. Because yeah, it's
Right.
just saying use the first digit from each of these and then carry the other over to the next part of the multiplication problem. He's just doing normal multiplication, but they can't write it normally. I like
Oh,
that they,
fuck
like,
off.
1 + 2 plus. Just look it up. I don't know. It's
Start
like some-
arbitrarily in the middle at 5. You know, as you
Okay.
do. Why are we circling the middle number with the number 5?
So here's the reality of it, is what it is. I'm going to explain it to you the way it actually works, which is going to make it seem wild that they're presenting this as a hack. So 1 added to 10 with everything in between is 55. That's just math. There's not a hack there. The next part is they add 10 to 10 numbers, which means they've added 100 total. So it's 155. And then they add 10 more to all the
Yeah.
numbers.
So is it
So now it's
255?
255. And then if you did this again with 30s, you would add 10 to 10 numbers. So it would become 355.
Oh,
It's
so we're
like-
just adding 100 to everything, but in the most convoluted, fucked up, evil way possible.
Yeah, and they're presenting it as like, look, if you write a 5 under it, that answer's in the middle, which, like, I guess it is. That doesn't do anything. 20% of 180. 50% of 130.
It's the fabled,
Move on 8.
it's the fabled Transylvanian map.
Oh, we're just
We're
doing this
looping.
again? If it's a goddamn
officially
butterfly, I'm gonna
looping.
cry.
Hey, Liz, are you going to keep going or are
No,
you done for tonight?
I have to go crawl under a rock now, thanks.